In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude to Figma. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to ensure we are logged into our Claude account. Then we're going to go to the bottom of the page, click on our display icon and click on settings. Now here we can either search for connectors in the search bar, or we can go to the left side panel under the customize header and click on connectors. Now we can't find Figma here, so we're going to click on add and we're going to click on browse connector. On the browse connector here, we're going to search for Figma, and then here we're going to click on the plus sign next to the Figma card. There are two Figmas actually. One is the MCP server. This helps pull Figma context and generate high quality code. This is not the one we want. We're going to go back. Let's close this up. Let's go to settings. Let's go back to connectors. And we can search for Figma here again. Yes, we're going to click on the plus sign. So it's connecting to Figma. And now we're going to have to authenticate ourselves on Figma. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on continue. And we're going to give Claude access to Figma. Now we are back to Claude. When we go back to connectors, we should see Figma connected with the checkmark status. That's how to connect Claude with Figma. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.